See, next some integer type problems. First one, if the value of 4 cos 36 degrees plus cot 7.5 degrees equal to root of n1 plus root of n2 plus root of n3 plus root of n4 plus root of n5 plus root of n6, then product of the digits of sigma I equal to 1 through 6 n I square is product of the digits of this value. So first we have to find the values by compare, get the values of n1, n2, n3 and so on n6. From that we can find the required. So we know that cos 36 degrees value root 5 plus 1 by 4. Cos 36 degrees value root 5 plus 1 by 4. So multiples of multiple angles on cos 7.5 tan 7.5 values already other topic much better. See, cot 7.5 is cot means cos by 7. Multiply and dividing with 2 cos 7.5. Cos in, so 2 cos square theta. Cos 7.5 into cos 7.5 cos square. 2 cos square theta formula 1 plus cos 2 theta means 50 degrees. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta means sin 50 degrees. Now values of cos 15 and sin 15. Cos 15 root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sin 15 root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So by 2 root 2 by 2 root 2 cancel. 2 root 2 plus root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize the denominator. Multiply and dividing with root 3 plus 1. So 2 root 2 into root 3. 2 root 6. 2 root 2 into 1. Plus root 3 into root 3. 3. Next. Root 3 into 1. Plus 1 into root 3. Plus 1 into 1. 4 divided by root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1 is 2. Okay? 2 root 2 this is. Okay now? 2 root 6 plus 2 root 2 plus 3 plus root 3 plus root 3 plus 1. So divide with 2. 2 root 6 by 2. Root 6. 2 root 2 by 2. Root 2. 3 plus 1, 4 by 2 plus 2. Root 3 plus root 3, 2 root 3 by 2 plus root 3. So this is the value of cot 7.5. Now what is LHS? See, 4 into cos 36 value root 5 plus 1 by 4, 4 cancel. Root 1 means root 1, okay, plus cot 7.5 degrees value root 6 plus root 2. 2 can be written as root 4 plus root 3. So what happened? See, 1 to 6 root 1 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 4 plus root 5 plus root 6. Therefore, the values of, I compare the values of n1, n2, n3, n4, n5, n6 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So sigma n square formula. So this one means 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus 4 square plus 5 square plus 6 square. So sigma n square formula n into, you can check already, sigma n square formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 6 cancel. 7 13s and 91. Now what is required? Product of the digits of this number. Digits 9 and 1. Product of the digits base of 91 means 9 into 1. So 9 answer. So integer. So integer type ఎలా ఇస్తారు ఇప్పుడు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను ఆల్రెడీ మీకు 9 నంబర్ ఉన్న సర్కిల్ ని సెలెక్ట్ చేయాలి. See second problem. If the value of 4 sin 27 degrees equal to root alpha minus root beta, then the sum of the digits in alpha plus beta minus alpha beta plus 2 whole power 4. Sum of the digits in this number. So we have to find sin 27 degrees. ఇది కూడా చేస్తాం. Limits of a by 2 concept. Limits of a by 2 concept. Pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, 7 pi by 4. So the first quadrant and second quadrant and third quadrant and fourth quadrant and in first quadrant both are positive. Cos plus sin, cos minus sin. Both are positive. So ఇక్కడ 90 తీసుకుంటే s plus c s minus c మీకు అలవాటు చేసుకుంటాం. sin plus cos positive, sin minus cos positive. First quadrant. In second quadrant negative positive. S plus c negative, s minus c positive. Next, here both are negative. S plus c negative, s minus c negative. Positive negative. ఒకసారి కాన్సెప్ట్ నోట్స్ ని చూడండి. సో గుర్తుందా? s equal to sin a by 2, c equal to cos a by 2, then root of 1 plus sin a equal to plus or minus of s plus c, root of 1 minus sin a equal to plus or minus of s minus c. ఇది ఇప్పుడు రాసినంత అర్థం కాకపోతే ఒకసారి లిమిట్స్ ఆఫ్ a by 2 కాన్సెప్ట్ వీడియో తీసి చూడండి అర్థమవుతుంది. So first I am finding the value of sin 27. a by 2 equal to 27 degrees తీసుకుంటున్నాను. a by 2 equal to. So required is sin 27 degrees. Sin 27. మరి 27 is a by 2. Sin a by 2 is s. S can be expressed as s plus c plus s minus c. Okay. From this s plus c is plus or minus of root of 1 plus sin a. Same. S minus c is plus or minus of root of 1 minus sin a. మరి a by 2 27 means a value 54. Plus తీసుకోవాలా మైనస్ తీసుకోవాలంటే a by 2 27 degrees belongs to fourth quadrant. ఇక్కడ వస్తుంది 27. In fourth quadrant s plus c positive, s minus c negative. So here plus sign, here minus sign. Okay. Now a by 2 is 27. Therefore a equal to 54. Therefore root of 1 plus sin 54 degrees minus root of 1 minus sin 54 degrees. Now we know the values of sin 54 degrees. That is sin 27 equal to root of 1 plus sin 54 degrees value root 5 plus 1 by 4. Same. 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4. So 4 plus 1 root of 5 plus root 5 minus, sorry, here consider 2 sin 27. Start from 2 sin, sorry, 2s. 2s is s plus c plus s minus c. C cancel s plus s is 2s. So this is the value of 2 sin 27 degrees. Same. 4 minus 1. 3 minus root 5. By root 4. By root 4 and root of 3 minus root 5. But they are given that value is root alpha minus root beta. So by compare, the value of alpha is 5 plus root 5. The value of beta is 3 minus root 5. Now what is required? Sum of the digits of alpha plus beta minus alpha beta plus 2 whole power 4. Now first I am finding that value. After that required is the sum of the digits. Alpha plus beta. Sum of these two is 8. Okay, minus product of the values. 5 plus root 5 into 3 minus root 5. 5 3 is 15 minus 5 root 5 plus 3 root 5 means minus 2 root 5 minus 5. 15 minus 5 and 10. Okay, plus 12 whole power 4. So amount number 8 plus 2, 10 minus 10 cancel, minus of minus 2. 2 root 5 whole power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. Root 5 whole power 4 means 5 square means 25. 16 25 is 400. So this is value. So now required is sum of the digits of this number means 4 plus 0 plus 4. So answer 4. అలా ఆల్రెడీ తెలిసిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఇలా ఇంటీజర్ వచ్చేటట్టు క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు మనకి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. See next problem, third one. If the value of tan x plus tan 2x plus tan 3x equal to tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x, then the value of modulus of sin 3x plus cos 3x. Okay. So in the compound angles, we have seen one result, that is tan A. This is in the form of tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. If and only if result A plus B plus C equal to n pi. Therefore, x plus 2x plus 3x 6x equal to n pi. Therefore, x equal to n pi by 6. By using, so here n belongs to z, integer. Now required x is n pi by 6. 3 into n pi by 6 means n pi by 2 plus same. 3 into x means n pi by 2. N is z. Now when n is 0, its value. When n is 0, sin 0 0, cos 0 1. When n is 1, sin pi by 2 1, cos pi by 2 0, 1 plus 0 again 1. When n is 2, sin pi 0, cos pi minus 1, but modulus of minus 1 is also plus 1. Thus, for any integer, value of this one is 1. Say next one, fourth one, the value of 1 by sin 45 degrees into 46 sin 46 degrees plus 1 by sin 47 degrees into sin 48 degrees plus and so on. 1 by sin 133 degrees into sin 134 degrees equal to cosecant x degrees, then the value of x. So ఈ మోడల్లో 3 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఈ మోడల్ ఆల్రెడీ ఇంత ముందు ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను. సో both are sin working rule, both are cos working rule, sin cos cos sin. Okay, Sine cos sine same one. So both are sine or both are cos, then working rule multiply dividing with sine of difference of the angles. One is the sine ratio, other one is cos ratio, then working rule multiply dividing with cos of difference of these. So cos of difference of each pair is 1. So multiply dividing with sine 1 degree. Let us know. 1 by sine 1 degree. Here sine 1 degree. 1 degree can be expressed as 46 minus 45. Similarly, here sine 1 degree means 47 degrees minus 48 degrees. And so, say last one, sine 1 degree means 134 minus 133. Now sine of a minus b formula, sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So sine 46 cancel, cos 45 by sine 45 is cot 45 minus cos a sine b. Cos 46 into sine 45 cancel, cos 46 by sine 46 is cot 46. Okay. Next, same. So small one minus big one. Means cot 47 degrees minus cot 48 degrees. And so last cot 134 degrees, small one minus big one. Cot 133 degrees minus cot 134 degrees. See, observe the angles. We know that cot 45 degrees 1, that is clear. See remaining angles. 46 degrees plus 134 degrees is 180. So result a plus b equal to 180 degrees, then cot a plus cot b equal to 0. Because b is 180 minus a, cot of 180 minus a is minus cot a plus cot a cancel. So thus sum of two angles is 180, cot of first angle plus cot of second angle 0. Thus cot 46 plus 134 degrees value 180. Sum of them 0. Similarly, sum of these two values 0. అలా మొత్తం 134 45 to 134 టర్మ్స్ లో పెయిర్ వైస్ క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోతుంది. ఇక్కడ 2 మిగిలిపోతాయి. ఒకటి cot 45, మధ్యలో cot 90 కి పెయిర్ రాదు. cot 90 degrees మిగిలిపోతుంది. We know that cot 90 degrees value 0. అలా ఇది 0. Remaining all pairs, sum of remaining all pairs is 0. Cot 45 degrees value 1. 1 by sine 1 means cosecant 1 degrees. So by compare, the value of x is 1 degree. So with this trigonometry up to extreme values including advanced was completed. Tomorrow I will start trigonometric solutions. Next topic, trigonometric equations.